I support DepEd School Safety Audit Campaign. Pero sana hindi na itong ningas kugod. May mga paralang walang bakod. May mga bakod na madali namang akyatin ulondagin ng mga estudyante. At may kakulangan din sa security guards. DepEd has 2,242 field permanent security guards position for around 48,000 public schools. Ibig sabihin, isang security guard sa bawat paaralan. Because permanent security guards are limited, many schools are forced to rely on outsourced guards founded or funded through their MOOE. But MOOE has its limits. That's why the Special Education Fund exists. Unfortunately, around 360 LGUs utilize less than 50% of their SEF collections in 2025. Doon po sa Tacloban City, over 109 million pesos was collected. Yet only 56 was utilized. That's almost 47 million pesos that could have gone to CCTV, security guard, o pagpapalagay ng bakod. So what is preventing these funds from reaching our schools? O baka naman may mga nagbulsa. At dapat may imbestigan din yan at may managot dahil sa pambubulsa ng pondo na dapat tulong sa mga eskwelahan.